Hi guys, this is Subhashri and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I personally test and review makeup products just for you. And the product that we have in here today is the Makeup Revolution London Redemption Palette Essential Matte Stew. Revolution Beauty was formerly known as Makeup Revolution. मजे की बात ये है that this London-based brand was actually conceptualized by the founder in his kitchen table in 2013. In just a short span, he actually came up with so many amazing products that it is being loved by all the women out there across the globe. So guys, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, all these 12 colors are easily visible. I love how it has been packaged. बहुत simple and it's not very jazzy, which I absolutely loved. ब्रांड का नेम आपको गोल्डन कलर में यहाँ दिख जाएगा और शेड के बारे में अगर आपको जानना है, more information is there on the back side. जैसे ही आप ओपन कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे, you can see that it is actually a transparent glass. So अगर आपने बंद भी किया है and you really are in a rush to your office or college, आप तब भी इसे आराम से लेकर जा सकते हैं without opening it. Then it also comes with a handy brush. तो अगर आप कहीं बाहर अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, say like in some washroom, you can apply it directly, which is again great, and it is, I would say, a classic option for a timeless aesthetic. So अगर आप वो है जिनको nude makeup काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है, this is definitely something that you should go for. The brand claims that these are perfectly pigmented shades, and when you apply it, it actually gives a matte finish. After you have primed your eye, reach for this matte palette from Revolution Beauty. Depending on your mood and the occasion you have in mind, choose the right shade from the options available. Dip the eyeshadow brush provided in the color of your choice and sweep it across your eyelid until the entire area is covered uniformly with the product. Repeat the same process on the other eye and you're ready. So guys, my experience with this product by Revolution Beauty has been amazing. I'm someone who actually loves nude shades. So if you're someone with almost the same skin tone, you should definitely go for this one. They also have some option for the shimmery shades, so check them out as well. Now let's talk about how to make the most of an eyeshadow palette. Now it has always been occurred to me that most of us actually go for only those 2 to 3 shades out of the entire palette. Rather, my advice would be that you should definitely go and experiment and mix all these different colors available and try them on so that आप उस product का maximum use कर पाए. Make sure कि आप जो भी color choose कर रहे हैं darker shade का, उसे अपने eyelids पर apply करें and go from the outer side of the crease towards the inner side. That's how the movement should be. If you really want your look to pop up, then go for the lighter shade out of the entire palette and उसे brow bone के area में ज़रूर apply करें. Alright guys, that is a wrap for me. So I hope you try this look and let me know how do you like it and stay tuned for more videos.